Hi all, I am Roop Dharak, founder director A&I Magazine, Arctic Publications Private Limited, Hyderabad. So for today's podcast session, it's purely dedicated to women's. As on 8th March we see the Women's Day. But for me personally, every day is a Women's Day because no day is possible without women's. So I'm very happy to have Amita ma'am, Shreya ma'am, and Sonia ma'am with us today. Hi all, thank you so much for taking out time in your busy schedule and giving us chance to have a good session with you, good interactive session with you.
Thank you.
Hi ma'am, how are you?
I am good. Thank you for calling us.
How are you, ma'am?
Very well. Thank you so much.
So Shreya ma'am, we have for second time with us. It's her video went. I guess it's the most viral video on our A&I page with a 1 million plus views.
Oh,
Yeah, we have done a session with her on her own residence at Sky, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah,
And
GVS guys.
Yeah, it went very well. Ma'am, what do you feel about Women's Day? What is Women's Day for you all? Like it is dedicated, we have given one day, 8th March is the Women's Day. But I personally feel, as I said, every day is a Women's Day. Without them, nothing is possible in today's world. And I guess it was same in the past and it will remain same in the future. So what do you personally feel about Women's Day?
see, for me, every day is a woman's day. I'm a woman every day. As you said, you just need an occasion to celebrate. It's something like that. But we celebrate ourselves every day. I don't think you need a special day to celebrate anything. Women's Day, like how we have festivals, how we have birthdays, how we have something came like that and we celebrate it like a Women's Day. But yes, you can do something more special maybe on that day as we are speaking today, all of us. Maybe something we can share with each other and things like that we can do. But every day is special for me.
As per you, Sonia ma'am.
Yeah, same here. Every day is special. We face the same kind of challenges every day. So I think yes, there should be a special day where we can celebrate that, how much hard work we put in our, professional careers and managing our personal and professional lives. So yeah, it's good to have, a celebration on one particular day. But yes, every
So
day
you
is
love working
special.
on 8th March or you will take off?
No, I think interior designers do not have luxury to take it off on even on weekends. So I think all days are same for me.
But I personally feel interior designing and architect is the most best profession because they can work as per their time. Generally, client also listens to them, vendors also listen to them. They can do as per their time. This is what personally I feel.
No. It all depends, about your client, your site visits, your personal life. But it's not like that you can take off and your phone is off for 3-4 days and you don't want to have any update. It's not like that. It depends how many sites you are working on, how many people you are working with, how good your team is. So it all depends on all that aspects. But it's not like it's not like a doctor's profession though कि emergency है तो आपको जाना ही है. But you need to give time, a lot of time. I mean, we work on Diwali also, so that is a schedule for us.
Basically, like doctors are what do you say that they are for human being and you are for the space where they live, basically. So
So as you said, like we work so much. हर फील्ड में IT फील्ड हो गया, अपना फील्ड हो गया. Even though we work so much, the stress levels are less compared to the IT field and all because we enjoy what we are doing. So वो जो hard work, वो number of hours put in करते हैं and also you don't feel so much. But again, as women, we have to work-life balance and all that. We have to do it. That's another thing aspect to it. But yes, enjoyment is there.
And even I would like to add that even on weekends, you are most busy on weekends. And weekdays are busy and weekends are even busier. So you don't have a holiday access. So if you get one day free, okay, you can, have that. You can spend that day at home or take some rest. However, your phone is always ringing and you cannot switch off your phone. So that's one
so
thing.
generally weekends client have time basically for selections and all if I'm not
yes,
wrong.
Right.
IT people, business people,
Yes.
has off.
They prefer
They
weekends.
prefer to meet.
Sometimes we
on
feel
Sundays.
jealous. Saturday, Sunday, pakka, totally off they are. And we feel ki, okay, why don't we take off? we
See,
cannot.
generally, if you notice also at a personal front or at a professional front, women never get any off.
Yeah.
If you
Yeah,
share
that's
your
true.
home also and if you share your professional life also, they never get off for any reason.
Yes.
Earlier in 2020, 21, we went with a bad phase COVID. That time also women they didn't got any chance They became like a
Yes.
what is that? मास्टर शेफ के शेफ बने हुए थे सारे के सारे घर पे YouTube पे बनाना है घर में हम जैसे लोग जो बैठे हैं उनको डेली फीड करना all that. Women never get off. That is the reason I said कि there are no days possible without women.
To be very honest, after coming into this profession, and I do not remember that when it is the last time when I socialized, when I went outside with my friends, enjoyed, had party. So you have to really, take time out for yourself. It's really challenging. You tend to forget about yourself and just focus on work. और आप जाते हो वहाँ पर धूल मिट्टी में जाते हो, site visits. So these are your priorities when you are into this field. And being a woman, it's challenging, but yes, when you love your work, you enjoy that part as well.
Amita ma'am, you have experience of more than 2 decades.
Yes.
So, what is the difference that you feel? Because earlier, before 2014, especially in Hyderabad, professional doesn't get that इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग एंड आर्किटेक्ट का उतना रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं था हैदराबाद में, यहाँ उतना वैल्यू नहीं मिलता था प्रोफेशनल को. सो व्हाट डिफरेंस डू यू फाइंड फ्रॉम दैट एंड इन 2020s?
There is a very visible difference. Like if you ask me, when I joined architecture, that time not many people knew about architecture. I mean, engineering were the more popular, choices. Sir, but I can say because of my mother, who is an artist and who retired as a assistant professor in painting, she introduced me to this field. She passed out from College of Fine Arts, JNTU. So because already there was somebody in the family who was in this creative field, so I got introduced to that and I got it. But even that time, there were just very few girls and more boys. So the ratio was like 1:3 like that. But now it's the reverse. There are more women in architecture, and I always say it's a very, very good field for women because they can start from anywhere. They can start from their house. They can wherever comfortable they can start from, and you can progress from there. So that work-life balance, what you say, can be done very efficiently in this field. But other fields, like when you go 9 to 5 job or you're in an IT field, going out of the house and doing that initial days, it becomes a little challenging. But in this field, that convenience is there where I feel as a designer, you can work from anywhere. So definitely there's a lot of change from earlier to now. And also that equality, as you say, the women in leadership roles at sites mein jaise aap bolte hain and all. Earlier I used to feel little bit, but now I don't think so at all. I mean, women are as aggressively can handle things, and we have that comfort level with a lot of people working at sites, and we plan things or in a more organized way. So I think there's a lot of change, and right now I don't feel a difference in the way we deal and the way a man can deal and things. I feel we are better. I have not said
Yeah,
anything.
obviously.
Yeah.
Planning wise,
you're much better
compared
than
to a man.
And generally, when you started your career, definitely you were not married.
Yes.
Or if I'm not wrong, when you started
But,
your career,
You're wrong in that.
I started my career.
I started, in fact, I got married very early in life,
Okay.
in my 4th year of
so
architecture.
generally I was
Same
curious to
here.
ask, okay,
Even I got married when I was in the 4th year of architecture.
okay, so जो difference feel करने का मौका ही नहीं मिला कि शादी के पहले कैसे काम हुआ, शादी के बाद कैसे काम हुआ. But generally,
Because after marriage, I went back to my native place, Akola. I did my 4th year finally, and then I came back.
okay, your family was very supportive.
Yeah.
That you
Yeah.
should become an architect and
Yeah.
come into the profession.
Yeah.
So, कुछ ऐसे once you get into the parenthood, how difficult it is to manage, because parenthood is the most toughest thing in the life, and especially for a woman, it's more tough because the kid has to be taken care by them only. So, how do you manage both the things?
Actually, it obviously slows down your career at one point of time when the baby is born and you cannot think of anything else. And at that point of time, you are the only one who can take care of your baby, the best. So, and you know the best. However, you can, proceed with your career also, but you have to face a lot of challenges from family side and, personally, mentally, emotionally. So, there are a lot of things, that comes as an obstacle when during the time of parenthood, I would say. Yeah.
So not many people know this, but I got married early in 4th year of architecture, and my first son came also in early. So I finished my thesis and PT after my son was born. So a lot of parental support and my in-laws support. Because of that, I could sail through and I could finish with distinction my college. And of course, it slows you down and all. I had to, 4 or 5 years, I had to little lessen my speed in this field and all that. But that also is a role which you have to take it very seriously. I mean, I enjoyed every bit of it, but I bounced back.
So how do you keep yourself updated in that period generally? Because what happened in your field, every day there is something new in the market.
Yes.
So if you're not updated, you're outdated in the market.
That's true.
So in that difficult time, because there are many responsibilities at once.
Yes.
So how do you keep yourself updated in that time when you started, especially
Yes.
in 2002, 2003?
Yes.
वो time पे तो social media भी इतना
Yeah,
active है,
yes,
जितना भी active है.
right.
So how do you keep yourself, man?
I mean, whatever I could, put my hands. Like I learned a lot of, I did enter a lot of courses where I could short-term courses where I could update myself. Even all these AutoCAD and all, we're not very, easy
Yeah.
to learn and all. So I got enrolled in that. Whatever little time I could take out from being a mother, I got into it and I somehow get myself updated into things. And I joined a firm as a part-time, employee, so that I'm not away from everything. So that's how because if you have the passion and the perseverance, what I say, I have to be in this field, I can't be out of it, then you find ways to do it.
श्रेया मैम की बेटी से मिला हूँ. She has given a very good upbringing to her daughter. उनका श्रेया मैम के लिए तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ, वो बेटी का टेंशन तो नहीं है काम करते समय. I've met her. She is very well organized. She has given a very great upbringing. तो आपके क्या challenges थे when she was small?
See, I think whatever you want to do in life, whether it should go easily or with some kind of difficulties, you will achieve it. From the day one, there was something in my mind to do in my life. I wanted to be a independent, maybe a financial independence. I always wanted, that was also in my mind. And I have a, you can't say hobby, but I have some oriented towards the interior and architecture. So, kabhi bhi when my daughter was born or when I am studying after marriage, on that phases, I was always, kahin pe bhi gaye to I used to see, I used to observe, I used to implement in my designing. So that was my always a homework I used to do. Still now, still after 15, 20 years of experience also, whenever I go, I observe things. It's not like, ye to aata hai, because every day we learn new things. And this is only the learning new things only we are like updated. Otherwise, that ego and that thing will become to you. कि नहीं मेरे को तो सब आता है ऐसा नहीं. Every in our field, every project is different, every client is different, every client's budget is different, and timeline is different. So we have to work on everything.
Very true. जैसे अभी आपने फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस का बताया, जनरली ऐसे होता है कि भाई when it comes to females एक आदत होती है, डोंट वर्क, मेरे को तेरे पैसे की जरूरत नहीं है. एक सेंटेंस निकलता है at every home. It can be any home. So have you ever faced this difficulty? भाई मेरे को पैसे की जरूरत नहीं है, be at home and take care of home.
No, I don't
No.
think so. मुझे लगता है कि when you start earning, see when a man is earning, वो अगर आपको ऐसे आपने जताए कि ये देखो मतलब मैं अर्न कर रहा हूँ और आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे, तो मुझे लगता है यू नीड टू बी हम्बल एंड ग्राउंडेड. सी अगर आप काम कर रहे हो, आप अपनी चॉइस से कर रहे हो, आप अपनी खुशी के लिए कर रहे हो, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि आपको एरोगेंस या फिर मतलब अपने अंदर एक वो ईगो लाने की जरूरत है कि नहीं मैं अर्न कर रही हूँ. आप अपनी खुद की खुशी के लिए कर रहे हो, खुद की सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट के लिए कर रहे हो. यू लर्न अ लॉट एवरी डे एंड देन ऑब्वियसली फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दैट गिव्स यू अनदर लेवल ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस that changes your value in your own house.
That is
so
very
obviously
true.
yes, वो आपको
That is
जो
very
difference नजर में आता है ना, like in your own family members' eyes, that gives you a lot of confidence. But yes, that comes when you are grounded and you are humble. So with me, I have never faced this issue. I love to work and I just want my family should enjoy because they are also working hard and they are supporting me as well. So yeah.
स्पेशली व्हेन इट कम्स टू फीमेल्स, पर्सनल लाइफ भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती है, बिकॉज उनको क्या फैमिली प्रेशर भी बहुत होता है एंड फैमिली एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी बहुत होते हैं स्पेशली. सो हाउ डू यू मैनेज और हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज टू मैनेज पर्सनल एंड प्रोफेशनल लाइफ बोथ, बिकॉज योर इंडस्ट्री रिक्वायर्ड लॉट ऑफ टाइम. At times you go for selection, at times you visit sites, and there is much interference. And generally when it comes to females, if I'm not wrong, clients prefer to give their homes more, the residential places more to females than when it comes to commercial. So In residential place, you have much of things to be done. So how do you manage this professional and personal
Detailing
life?
is very important, and I think as we are a female, we go in depth
Yes.
for everything. Also, suppose if you are designing a kitchen, we think कि ये अचार का bottle कहाँ आएगा, that also we think. I mean, when I sit with the client and we do the discussion, I ask them, are you right-handed or left-handed? You know, to give that cutlery box also, we give in that depth. So I don't think so. Man, see, I'm not again comparing between a woman and a man, but a man cannot give that much of detailing which we can give.
The sensibilities of a woman are very different.
What I was saying, how do you manage this personal life and professional life? Because definitely female have both the things.
For me,
फैमिली प्रेशर भी होता है अपने एंड पे
Yeah, yeah,
और
that's true.
अपने क्लाइंट का प्रेशर भी होता है.
Yes.
So how do you manage this? Reason to know about this is this should reach to the many aspiring females who quit the job. अरे यार, I will not be able to manage. So I want that young aspiring designer to get inspired by you because you're working in this industry since 2 decades. Sonia ma'am is working almost 1 decade, nearby 1 decade. So that will help them. So just want to know how to cope up with the difficulties by managing personal and professional life.
For me, I think I've been very lucky and fortunate. Both my in-laws and my family all are educated people, so they understand the value of education and where your career, professional, So they've always supported me at every step of my career and life. So even when my kids were younger and smaller, I had help because in India it's very easy to get help. You're not staying abroad. So my mother-in-law was a doctor.
Okay.
And as you said, my mother is an artist. So everybody has been in their careers and all. So they understand. So it was not, and my husband, the biggest support of my life is my husband. So he supported me and all. Even though initial days of my career, I had to travel because he had a traveling job and he was not always posted in Hyderabad.
Okay.
So those years I had little difficulty. But when once I came back to Hyderabad, he also got a job in Hyderabad and he started on something on his own. It was very easy for me because everybody pitch in to take that responsibility. It's not only dependent on you. So my mother-in-law used to take, even though she was a working doctor and all, after she came back home, she supported and she helped me. She let me go to office and work. So all that I had, for me, it was very lucky.
Basically, family support is
Family
must.
support very important. It's very important.
If I talk in my case, initially I had to face little challenges because it was my family is a business family. So when I asked for their support, so I was being told that you should not be dependent on others. अगर आप दूसरे पे dependent रहोगे तो आपकी help करने कौन बार-बार आएगा? So then I realized that our support system should be strong. So we should have our household helps and all that. Because see, अगर family support करने नहीं आ सकती तो आपके पास अपना support system होना चाहिए. And then luckily I have a very supportive partner, my husband, Mr. Rajat Bansal. So उनका support मेरे लिए बहुत इस journey में मतलब बहुत important role play करता है. And then to get my family support initially, I had to prove myself. They always used to keep on saying you should take less work so that you can manage your personal life and professional life both. But yes, a woman need to prove themselves sometimes that okay, you can do you can take multiple projects also, you can deliver a very good quality project also, and आप अपनी personal life को भी manage कर सकते हो. However, your family support and your partner support is very important. It's a teamwork. Without them, you cannot deliver such a good quality work, maintaining the sanity of your mind. और आप उसमें because जब आपको अच्छा काम deliver करना है तो आपका mind should be at the right place. You should be happy. You should have a healthy mindset. और वो तभी आता है जब आपका family environment healthy.
When you don't have stress.
So for that, I would request जितने भी partners हैं, they should support their wives and they should be understanding because even after when they are understanding, challenges comes. Sometimes आप personal और professional में time manage नहीं कर सकते उतने अच्छे से, but चीजें हो जाती हैं when they are understanding and when they support you. But उनका support बहुत जरूरी है.
Just to add to that one small point, like earlier joint families बहुत रहते थे. My kids grew up in a joint family and that was the biggest positive point for me. Because कोई ना कोई घर में रहता था to take care and they grew up in a very secure and safe environment. So now it's all nuclear families, just husband wife रहते हैं and you have the kids. So
Yeah,
it's very
I
difficult
was
to
just
cope up.
about to come there.
Yeah.
Shreya ji is into a nuclear family.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that
And,
way it becomes difficult.
मतलब श्रेया जी के साथ मेरा प्रोफेशनल से सारा एक पर्सनल रिलेशन भी बहुत स्ट्रांग है because she's a very good when it comes to food. So I love
Okay.
whatever she cook. I just keep visiting to
I
have
think
food.
we should come to your
Yeah.
place.
Whenever I visit her home, I just see to enter the kitchen and I eat something. So Shreya is in a nuclear family, but I find her husband also very supportive. Though he's not from that profession, he's into manufacturing of clothes, if I'm not wrong. But still, he's very supportive, and she's very lucky. She has a very sweet daughter who is more supportive to her. Actually, अगर बेटी परेशान करती है तो माँ काम नहीं कर पाती है. She is more
See,
supportive.
again, it's a teamwork, as she mentioned. See, जैसे हम लोग के प्रोफेशन में रहता है, it should be a teamwork. Carpenter, painter, everybody, electrician, plumber. So घर भी it's like a teamwork. एक भी टीम में का member is not proper. ना?
Yes, that's
See, my husband is Vivek, so I always tease him. In my career, you have not given me a single work also. Always I crib him. You have not given any work to me till the date. But he also keep quiet that time. But I'll tell you today in this video. See, without his help, I couldn't have done up to this. Though उन्होंने मेरे को none of his friends, relatives has given me the work. With one work, I have come to this 250, 300 works.
yes.
Okay, but without his support, I couldn't do anything. So whenever today also morning, I start at 7:30 and still I'm out. So I make sure before 7 o'clock my food was ready on the table and everything was ready. I started at 7. I have done my 3, 4, 5 sites, and on the way I have changed my clothes just for this interview and video. So this is a life of a woman. We have to balance everything, and with the balancing, I'll tell you, in this balancing we cannot make everyone happy. कोई ना कोई तो dissatisfied रहेगा ही रहेगा. For example, my friends, like they are like, अरे श्रेया तू क्या जीना छोड़ दी क्या with this work? But believe me, Sunday is a day I don't feel like going out and meeting anybody. One day I think नहीं आज के घर पे रहेंगे.
Family.
Because we roam so much. Like every day we are out. Every day we are out. So we want that kind of personal life also.
जैसे मैंने अभी आपने बताया था कि you have to start at 7:30 in the morning and things were ready on the table. That's why I said कि every day is a women's day. आज हम मतलब even at my home I'm in joint family still now.
Yeah,
We
they
have
are
16
like
members
16
at home.
members.
So जैसे आपने बताया बच्चे सब एक दूसरे के साथ एडजस्ट हो जाते हैं, आराम से रह जाते हैं. We see that कि without them nothing is possible. उनका जो डेडिकेशन देखते हैं, it is with every woman, every female basically. आप लोगों को अगर हम लोग किचन में भी देखते हैं, so you give your 100%. कि भाई वो खाना एकदम बेस्ट बनना चाहिए जो मैं सर्व कर रही हूँ. और आप जो आप साइड पे भी काम करते हो, देयर आल्सो इन प्रोफेशन फ्रंट आल्सो यू आर दैट मच डेडिकेटेड. दैट इज द रीजन नथिंग इज पॉसिबल विदाउट वुमेन्स इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड. वन स्मॉल क्वेश्चन विथ यू, व्हाई वी कॉल धरती एज अ मां, नॉट एज अ फादर? कैन यू आंसर?
Because माँ ही है जो ज्यादा चीजें
सबको
है,
लेके
सबको
चलने
लेकर
वाली
चलती है. It's
देखो,
more
मुझे
like
लगता है कि धरती जो है ना उसमें जो कैपेबिलिटी है पैदा करने की, जो चीजों को पैदा करती है और जो सबका एक बोझ संभालना जिसे हम बोलते हैं, and
सहन
basically
शक्ति.
सहन
Yes.
शक्ति. Yes, you
See,
are right.
I'm
I was
sure
about to say
अभी
that.
2-3
इसलिए that is the reason we call them मां.
हाँ.
That's a female का दर्जा दिया गया है.
Yes, yes.
Otherwise call them धरती बाप कभी नहीं बोलते. But it is truly a commendable. मतलब
yeah.
see, and if you see A&I magazine especially, we have featured almost nearby 80 architects till now, but more than 60-65% are female now.
That's nice.
And we feel really very good कि भाई मतलब इतने, because it's a very tough job. Interior is not easy job because आपको
Not at all.
इतने लोगों को satisfied करना है जिनका आप घर बनाते हो. And I personally feel कि interior designing is the most thankless job on the earth.
Yes.
I
It is.
personally feel.
It is.
आप कितना भी क्लाइंट के लिए कर लो, वो कभी भी आएगा ना, कभी तारीफ नहीं करेगा. Nowadays there is a trend कि अच्छा बन गया तो मेरी बेटी को इन्वॉल्व इसलिए अच्छा हो गया. कुछ गलत हुआ, मैंने अमिता मैम को दिया था, मैंने सोनिया जी को दिया था, मैंने श्रेया जी को दिया था. That is a practice what we see.
Yeah.
Because we are into, again ma'am, we are into this industry since 99.
Wow.
My brother Kamal Tarak is an architect. He is in, so we started with brother only. He's purely into consultancy and I am into contracting. So we see this, and contracting is again most thankless job
Yes.
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 because client is always right, second architect is right and contractor is always wrong. That is the practice what happened. So again, we are missing the point because it is a woman oriented. We need to focus on that.
See, I want to tell about that धरती माता का
Yeah.
जो सहनशीलता है ना,
Yes.
हम लोग तीनों भी काम करते हैं, so इतना जो स्क्रीन पे दिखता है, जितना घर अच्छा दिखता है ना, उसके पीछे का बैकग्राउंड nobody will understand how much we go through it. You know, कभी क्लाइंट हमको कुछ बोल देता है because of the aggression and because of the XYZ
Yes, yes.
reasons. You know, कभी कुछ हो जाता है, कभी staff issue. You know, we go with so many things.
तो
But on the face, we are always happy. If you ask ना कोई young बच्चे आते हैं, architecture, yeah, please, why don't you do it? So we always encourage. We don't tell कि how much we go through it and how much we suffer. Because
It's
at
not
the end,
easy.
it's our passion and we are fulfilling it.
नहीं, that is true. जितनी डिटरमाइंड फीमेल्स होती हैं या लड़कियां होती हैं, अपन शुरू से देखते हैं, जैसे छोटी बेटी भी है ना, अगर अपन उसको कुछ देंगे ना, वो जाके डेडिकेशन से करके आ रही है. That is always there with the females. Whatever is given to them, whatever is assigned to them, whether it is of their profession, whether it is at their personal friend, or if it is not related to them also, they try to do it in a very perfect manner.
100%
Having said that, I mean, definitely you need a lot to be in this field, perseverance
True,
and all
true,
that.
true.
But without a silent understanding of your partner, your husband, your family, it's not easy.
Not
It
easy.
becomes very difficult. आपको रात में साइट से आना रहता है, दूर साइट्स रहते हैं, you know. So much of work hours is needed to be in this
Yes.
field. So without that support, it's not possible to be in this field. I'm just talking in a general sense.
I understand. I truly
Yeah.
understand. See, because whatever you do, two hands are needed.
Yes,
That is
yes.
must. If without any support, no one can do anything.
Because a lot of hard work. goes
Generally देखते हैं, मतलब if male working, मतलब is coming from the work, he can come and relax on the sofa, which is
Yeah.
not possible with the female. I think इसको पहले बैग रख के किचन में भागना है.
Yeah.
Again, she has to deliver that. That is
नहीं, ये किचन का भी आजकल कुछ नहीं, हस्बैंड वाइफ इक्वल. हम
Yes.
नहीं बनाएंगे तो हस्बैंड विल मेक इट. You, I mean, these days, this coming
these countries
generation.
don't show me that.
नहीं, ये coming generation is going to be like. I mean, I am raising my sons this way कि don't depend on your
Independent
wife for
True.
cooking. You have to cook
Yeah.
and she will cook.
Yeah.
When she's busy, you cook. You are busy. So I am raising my kids.
And
like
that's fine because in today's world, everyone has to be independent.
Yes,
That
yes.
is must.
But to be very honest, even I feel lucky these days. Like my husband has learned, cooking, and he serves me also whenever I am busy. So वो चीज जब मैं देखती हूँ ना तो मुझे
You're in nuclear family?
Yeah, nuclear family.
Possible. हम
Yes.
joint family में बहुत आराम है, काम तो भी करना ही नहीं पड़ता है.
नहीं, and even
One or other person is available.
Yeah, I am lucky कि my husband is more interested in cooking than me. So मेरे को कोई problem
No,
नहीं है.
and he never knew cooking, but he learned, few things, and he takes care of my son. He takes care of his, sports.
That is the only possibility that you are able to
Yes.
achieve every milestone
Yes.
at every point.
And even to be very honest, when my in-laws are coming, they are very supportive. And I'm coming late nights from work and all. So they never ask me, "Beta, why are you late?" and all. They are very supportive. So I think everybody should, put some efforts. They should support their daughters, their daughter-in-laws, or female, because with their encouragement, we can achieve a lot. If they will, not encourage us, so बहुत पीछे रह जाएंगी लड़कियां. तो मुझे लगता है वो support system बहुत जरूरी है. So yes.
In this field, consultancy is one part and contracting is one part. So, what do you personally feel? Is turnkey job advisable for women, or they should be purely into consultancy?
I think
I think I am into consultancy and this is a very peaceful job. Being a female, we have so many of responsibilities, घर का, बाहर का, socializing and everything. So this is a peaceful work what we can do. Consultancy means, yes, if you talk about the finances, of course you earn more in that compared to the consultancy, but you have to give more time. So
One more
if you are
disadvantage.
asking me at this age, I am very good with the consultancy, but maybe after several years, more years of experience, I can jump into that with my experience.
When you select the client, limited client, consultancy and contracting both.
Yes.
I
Maybe
think
after
if
4-5
you have
years.
a proper team of people with you,
मतलब this vendor contractor,
then
labor
contract,
contractor basically.
whatever, you should have a good team. Definitely, as a consultant, you get more respect. I feel when you become a contractor,
100%.
they start treating you like a contractor. आज
Right.
कारपेंटर नया कॉल आ गया, आज ये
Yes.
नया इलेक्ट्रिशियन नया कॉल. So you just feel कि okay, I'm losing my focus from my design and my thing, and I'm becoming more as a contractor. But if you have like a sister company where one entire team just handles that, as she said, you get more money and you can earn. There's more scope in that in terms of monetary thing. But as a designer, definitely I would like to just be a consultant like that.
But generally, when you take contracting, you have to cut down the sites also. But the other way around, when you
Yes.
compare the finances, you tally your end year balance sheet, you will land in the
it's
same
more
mode.
it's more peaceful, as she
Yeah.
said, to
To
become.
be very honest, we are into turnkey, basis projects. I enjoy that because when you are designing something, you make sure that that output comes out.
Yes.
And you have to maintain that line of respect between the client and also that they don't take you for granted. They don't treat you like a contractor. तो वो मुझे लगता है आपको एक maintain करके
Maintain.
रखना पड़ता है रिश्ता. And as
नहीं, but generally contractor को दर्जा अलग ही मिलता है. हम कितना भी maintain
हाँ,
रखना चाहो,
it depends on
contractor
you.
always get a different respect, and as Amita ma'am said, professional always get a different reference.
But to be very honest, I've got very good clientele, and till like now, and by
Definitely.
God's grace, I've got very good clients, and they have always respected me a lot. And they tell Sonia, we trust you completely. You do the best. You will do the best for our house. So these kind of things, I have got the trust factor, and obviously we try to deliver the best quality so that we can earn that trust. Because see, money is a byproduct that you will earn anyway. So you have to focus. मेरा focus रहता है, okay, my client should give me blessings, by the end of the project कि आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. Because as women, we try to, मतलब हमारा एक natural होता है tendency that एक perfection achieve करना है. So जब आप उसमें जाते हो ना, then you take care of lot of things. You have to connect with your clients at emotional level also. जब आप उनको समझते हो and एक motive होता है कि उनका personality, reflect होना चाहिए उनके घर में. It should be an extension of their personality. So when you work with a positive mindset, with a positive aura, then that respect automatically comes. That I have realized, and they trust you completely. और जब आप बहुत honesty and transparency से काम करते हैं, I think that respect also comes, and project बहुत ही healthy way में जाता है. But yes, it has its own challenges. While deliver, जब तक वो deliver नहीं हो जाता, you have to face n number of challenges on every daily basis.
डिलीवर के एक 6 महीने के अभी कॉल आता है.
Yes.
आज ये लाइट नहीं चल रहा है, आज ये
No, that's true.
प्रॉब्लम है.
That happens.
Overall,
That's
जैसे
a part
हम लोग
and
देखते हैं
parcel.
साइट्स
हाँ.
मैनेज करने का जो इशू है, जैसे आई एम टू टर्न की बीइंग हमें
हाँ.
थोड़ा जाते हैं, लैंग्वेज भी जो है थोड़ी फिल्थी हो जाती है,
हाँ.
गाली गलौज भी उधर है. जनरली डजंट हैपन विद फीमेल्स. सो साइट जब एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं, डू यू फेस द प्रॉब्लम मैम व्हेन यू गेट डेफिनेटली कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स आर क्रैंकी ऑलवेज
it's
एंड
how
एट टाइम्स यू
you
गेट.
it's how you carry and conduct yourself. It's how you talk.
See,
If you have that
बट
thing.
आज के जमाने में वो जैसे देयर इज वन सेइंग, pigs of ghosts do not understand words. When it comes to laborers,
होता है,
हम उनको
होता है.
कितना भी समझाने का कोशिश करो, आप बोलते रहो, और nowadays this phone become a very biggest problem. हम करते भी रहते हो, बंदा उनका लेबर कॉन्ट्रैक्टर फोन नहीं लेके बैठा हुआ रहता है, लेबर हमारे सामने गए हुए भी हैं तो
Especially in Hyderabad.
it happens.
Laid back
So,
attitude.
साइट एग्जीक्यूशन में do you think कि females को ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती है when compared to men? Do you think this?
Like as
Yeah, we
I am
can-
into the consultancy, so every week I go and go to the site and check the progress. So when suppose we have a habit, without a drawing also if we go, we just sketch on the walls and so sometimes, especially the carpenters from Rajasthan who is 50 साल 60 साल के जो बड़े हैं, they think अरे ये आके हमको क्या सिखा रही है. Their mindset is like that, and they expect कि हम लोग उनको चिल्लाएंगे या ये करेंगे कि उनको जितना काम बोले उतना कर दो. ये पहले होता था मेरे साथ. We used to be little loud. अरे we know our work बोलते. बट अब ऐसे हो रहा है, जितने आप पोलाइटली उनसे बात करोगे ना, उतना वो लोग सुनते हैं. दिस इज उल्टा हर जगह. वेदर इट्स योर हाउस हेल्प, वेदर योर एवरीबडी ना, तुम जितना उनको
ये
respect
मंत्र
से-
हस्बैंड्स को भी दिया दो. Sorry to disturb.
जितने रिस्पेक्टफुली यू से या आपको ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है ना, यू डू अकॉर्डिंग टू योर दिस थिंग, तो ज्यादा अच्छे से काम करते हैं.
Because turnkey basis में like one challenge is there. You have to पूरा आपको every day update होता है कि आज वर्कर नहीं आए तो आपका काम का टाइमलाइन इफेक्ट होगा. तो आपको every day basis पे चेक करना होता है कि आज इलेक्ट्रिशियन आया है, आज प्लम्बर आया है, आपको क्या काम करना है. You have to make your to-do list. Obviously it's a very tiring job, and yes, sometimes thankless also. But मुझे लगता है कि सबका एक अपना अपना होता है. जैसे आई गेट कि ओके मुझे ये प्रोजेक्ट करना है, मुझे परफेक्शन अचीव करना है. आई कैन नॉट ट्रस्ट अदर पीपल कि वो उसी परफेक्शन से उस काम को करेंगे. तो समवेयर मुझे लगता है सबका अपना अपना चॉइस है, बट इट हैज लॉट ऑफ चैलेंजेस एज कंपेयर टू कंसल्टेंसी, मुझे लगता है डेली बेसिस पे चैलेंजेस है. एंड एज शी राइटली सेड कि आपको 6 महीने बाद भी कॉल आता है. अगर लाइट काम नहीं कर रही है, लाइट उन्होंने खरीदा इलेक्ट्रिक मतलब दूसरे शॉप से, बट स्टिल दे विल कॉल यू, दे विल सीक फॉर योर सपोर्ट कि मुझको अभी क्या करना चाहिए, लाइट काम नहीं कर रहा है.
I think वो rules and regulations
Yes,
बनाना
you're
चाहिए कि we are responsible till 15 days or whatever
Yes,
it is. But if it's managed well, I think it's a great thing to do because the quality of the project is in your hands at that time.
When you deliver quality, your
Yes.
client repeats, and that is the best satisfaction you get that when your client gets repeats.
एंड श्रेया ने बहुत ठीक बोला कि जो लेबर है ना, उनके साथ आप जितना प्यार से ट्रीट करते हो, वो उतना ज्यादा अच्छे से काम करते हो. उनको काउंसिल
I
करना
guess
पड़ता
in
है
this case only with the females.
yeah
They
because
handle
we
better.
have to literally counsel
Because
them.
if we talk with them the polite way, na, so they will
They
take
will
us for the
not.
granted.
No, we have to
चलो भाई
prevent
चल के
that
चाय
we have
पीते हैं,
more
सिगरेट
knowledge
पीते हैं,
than
वहाँ
us.
पे आ जाते हो.
नहीं, एंड एक्चुअली वो विमेन से अगर आप बहुत हार्श हो जाओगे ना, उनके ईगो पे आ जाएगा.
Yes.
वो विमेन से नहीं ले सकते हैं हार्श वर्ड्स में, तो हमको पोलाइट ही रहना पड़ता है. वो हमारा बेसिक नेचर भी है
So
कि
we
हम
have
polite
tried
ही रहते हैं.
everything, na? We
Yes.
tried everything करने के बाद we came to this
That is the
point.
reason females are very important. They do everything.
चिल्ला के भी देख लिए, गुस्सा करके भी देख लिए, हर चीज करके देख लिए. So
You're
ultimate the solution is just talk to them properly.
Proper.
Give
Yeah.
them more respect. Yeah, you are
Yeah.
more knowledgeable than us. तो वो output देखो कितना बढ़िया आता है.
Yes. जो काम प्यार से हो सकता है वो मार से नहीं हो सकता.
मतलब इनमें
Women
जो
के केस में तो
बुलेट
रहता
पे
है.
ही मार दो, जहर की जरूरत नहीं है. Ma'am, three of you, one suggestion for this fraternity, especially for females, to come in this industry more, because बहुत लोगों को डर होता है कि how we will be able to manage this, and because you three will be an inspiration for them, and उनको लिए कुछ आपके पास suggestion है for any female who is trying to become an architect or interior or an aspiring designer, जिनको hiccups आ रहे हैं कोई भी चीज करने में. So Amita ma'am, start from you. What would be your suggestion?
I've always said this is a wonderful field for any woman to get into because क्या होता है ना, it's so much convenient. Like as I said, even in my family, I've tried to inspire 2-3 people who got into architecture and become an architect right now. Even though a lot of hard work, lot of time you have to put in, end of the day, it's very flexible. You can start from anywhere, you can reach anywhere, and if with the right family support, I think this is a wonderful field for anyone because it's creative, not much of stress levels, and when you start on your own also, you can be flexible. Like you can manage your time at home, you can manage your time at work, and so much is there to do in this field. There's less of stress, more of hard work, but yes, a very right field for any woman to be in.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I would say 2-3 points. First, again I will talk about the financial independence. Whether your father, your husband, or all your relatives are, filthy rich, but when you earn that respect and that confidence in a female is very different. So always you should go for your passion. And this is a field, as she said, okay, it's not necessary that you have to go on the fields and do the work as an architect, but there are so many scope nowadays. You can do work from home. You can just deliver the 3Ds. You can just deliver the 2Ds. You can just deliver the 2D detailings. Nowadays, so many females I know, they are working from home. No, we are pregnant or we have some issues. We are sitting at home, but you give us work, we'll deliver you the work. So I am giving so much freelancing work to the females also. So again, that confidence. See, now I'll tell you, many people ask you, what is there, what next you want to do in your life? Now I am just turning 40 this year. So people are asking me, what is next you are doing in life? So I said, up to that, I have, fulfilled my passion. With the God grace, I'm doing good work. I'm happy the work, what is coming up, the output. So I think every female here, they should fulfill their passion. Whether it's architecture or medicine or anything.
Any other profession.
Any other profession also. But you should fight for that. Easily कुछ भी life में नहीं मिलता है. And especially this field, your hard work is more compared to your, the earning wise. I think यही आप किसी और प्रोफेशन में करते हो या बिजनेस में करते हो, जितनी मेहनत हम लोग करते हैं, so you could have earn more than what we are earning, but we are just fulfilling our passion. That is more important. That gives us satisfaction end of the day.
Sure.
See, if somebody wants to start their career, they need to understand that a lot of challenges will come
Yeah,
initially.
one second, one more point. This profession is like you don't have to have any investment.
Yeah, that's a great
You know,
point.
for any business, you have to put your investment and think in this only your knowledge and your
Start from
hard work
anywhere.
works.
Yes. No, that's true because this business can be started with zero investment because
But now that it's not the practice in today's now, अभी कैसे हो गया interior world maybe you have to show everything. Earlier it was possible. Nowadays, if you see, there are software you have to involve money.
That
into
is
So,
that.
and
That
I can
is
start with that.
but
business.
Investment,
start.
but huge
That's
investment
start.
you don't want to put in.
but initially you can start with zero investment if you get some project basically.
Yeah.
You can give your ideas, you can make the project. When the client gives you the money and then with that money obviously you invest on their project
Okay.
itself. And obviously challenges will come initially, but you have to stay strong because many a times you feel like giving up. You just don't have to give up. Stay strong, and you have to create your support system around you, be it your family, be it your friends, and your children. So then things will start becoming easy day by day. And challenges तो देखिए men को भी रहते हैं, women को भी रहते हैं. It's not like कि men की
Everyone
life
has their
easy है,
challenge at their
हाँ.
end. Totally.
So yes, so everybody faces challenges, but yes, women have some extra responsibilities than men, like taking care of children, giving birth to children, and all
Generally,
that.
क्या होता है when it comes to
हाँ,
men's
हाँ.
ना, they expect only one thing कि भाई finance.
Yes,
That is
yes.
fact. Female से बहुत सारे expectations होते हैं.
Yeah,
Apart from finance, बाकी के जितनी चीजें they
Majority
expect
of
only
the
from
finance
finance.
is looking by the male. So your stress level will be very different from our stress
Yes.
level. At least it comes to the finance. When it comes to the finance.
नहीं जनरली मैं बता रहा हूँ मतलब if you see कोई भी अगर फैमिली में देख लो कोई भी प्रोफेशन में देख लो मेन से जो एक्सपेक्टेशन होते हैं ओनली
See, हम लोग
फीमेल
stress
से
में आते
अपार्ट
हैं।
फ्रॉम दिस एवरी एक्सपेक्टेशन इज फ्रॉम फीमेल ओनली
And
घर कैसे संभालेंगे
हम लोग
सोशलाइजिंग
कभी तो
कैसे
stress
देखेंगे
में
बच्चों
आते
को
हैं।
कैसे देखेंगे खुद का प्रोफेशन
You are
कैसे
right.
देखेंगे
हाँ.
एवरीथिंग
One
इज
more thing I want to add.
कभी
One more thing I want to add. Like, ये field जो है, you need to have that love and passion. Otherwise, you can't sustain this
You are
field
right.
because there is a lot of competition here. A lot of people are into it because you have to keep updating yourself.
दैट्स
You
वेरी
have-
इंपॉर्टेंट
unless you love that, you cannot do it.
यस
You have to travel. You have to
यस
learn about explore different
yes you have
things
to
and all.
explore different countries not
Also,
India
one,
is not the thing
one thing is like our field gets compared to the IT field and all. So initially you may not get that kind of money because it's a slow field. Even today it's very sad, but it is a slow field. Immediately you can't earn the way the
एक fix
entry
कुछ नहीं है
level.
भाई
नहीं है. But if you have that passion, perseverance, that love for that field, you will grow and then the money will automatically come. But starting में you can't expect that.
नहीं anything you do man they say if I am joining a job also and starting somewhere I will not get that package
You won't get.
you have to give 1000 days dedicated forgetting everything
Yes.
no birthdays no parties
Just like-
nothing
just like-
1000 days 1001 days yours
हाँ, जैसे एक IT वाला ज्वाइन करता है स्टार्टिंग 15,000 कुछ रहता है हमारे इंटर्न्स को नहीं मिलता है तो वो लोग क्या होता
अभी
है
चेंज हो गया मैम
उतना नहीं हुआ फिर भी
अभी
You
तो
can still
कैसे
say-
स्पेशली आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट हैदराबाद यू सी एनी आर्किटेक्ट सोशल मीडिया पेज देयर इज वन पोस्ट बाय डिफॉल्ट वी आर हायरिंग
Yes.
and the biggest problem what we are facing in Hyderabad is there is no proper college there is no proper institute and very sorry to say no professional is getting involved into that to resolve this problem to do something for
Yes,
this I was
yes.
about to come on that question
Yes,
only
yes.
if you get chance
Yeah.
like Amita ma'am being a very senior and she's a part of Triple ID since 2002 2003
2003 yeah
long it's been almost 21 years so if you get a chance to do something for this fraternity what would you love to do for this fraternity
definitely see one more thing I have been teaching also in colleges I have been
Great.
I was teaching in master's level in JNFAU
so you go for guest lectures ma'am
yes visiting faculty and all that. And I go for juries also
Okay.
for thesis and all that. I've been observing that the students are very lost I mean somewhere the curriculum suppose they call they have these field visits they tie up with architects and all that and one subject would be just interacting with the practicing architects somewhere when they come out there is a disconnect between theory and practical so they're
100%.
totally lost they don't know what's happening at site
Yes.
because somewhere they're not able to
because what they study theory
Yes.
that is entirely
that's
different
entirely
concept.
different
Yeah.
as you were saying I think they don't know कितने hinges लगेंगे इसमें
Nothing.
because an
because
observation
it
is
is not
not
been
there
taught to them
yes it's not been taught it's all bookish and the theory so
yes yes
if that the gap is reduced or you have something like a finishing school before going to your office
so
that will solve a lot of problems and then we as architects also would love to hire a person coming out of a finishing school already exposed to this,
Yeah.
and we pay them better salary.
Sorry to interrupt.
Yes, a polished
Miss
one.
Architect Vinay and Rashmi Rathi have a very great interest in opening a finishing school. Matlab, I have met sir a number of times for magazine, how to grow, talk about. We had a podcast session also. So that was there कि we should open a finishing school in Hyderabad, and whoever is passed out of that finishing school, he will easily get a job with a very good
Exactly.
architect or interior. And we will write them कि इस बच्चे का सबसे ज्यादा मतलब whether it is male or female, this student can do a great in this field. मतलब in interior or architecture there is lot of things. You have lighting is one subject, you have
Yeah.
flooring is one subject, plumbing is one subject. तो उसका स्पेशलाइजेशन देख के उसको आगे बढ़ाएं.
Exactly.
Because nowadays earlier हैदराबाद में ऐसा था कि आर्किटेक्ट को हायर करना मुश्किल था, but now in today's they are even hiring MEP consultant, electrical consultant, even they are paying.
और क्या होता है ना, हम लोग interns को लेते हैं, we give our time to them, we teach them. By the time we teach them and all, they are out of the office.
Yeah.
तो हम लोग जितना time invest कर रहे हैं उनमें,
Yes.
but we are not getting it back.
Yes.
So we
तो आप लोगों का भी मोरल कम हो रहा है. I can
कम हो
understand
रहा
that
है,
100% because you give a time जो आपके लिए सबसे important है, because in this profession जो आप consultants especially, for you time is more important than money, because the time and only give it. You teach them and halfway they run and they go.
Yes.
Again मतलब every professional officer became like a training institute.
Yes.
They come and they leave. They come and they leave.
That's what
So
it's
that
like.
is the-
Sometimes we feel it's a training
So
center.
ma'am, I guess you being into this field since long time, you have great knowledge, you have completed great projects in the Hyderabad city, and you never know, because many people seeing your sites on the social media or knowing about you or seeing your site practically, they get inspired by you and they want to be like you, because definitely you might be inspired by one or other person,
Yes.
like the way we are inspired by one or other person. So please, it's a request, if you can gather some good women and open some school. We are there like being in A&I. We can get you the students who are
Yes.
genuinely interested to make this as their career.
You know, one thing I would like to add, that we should encourage people, or like, you know, who wants to learn interior designing.
But
So,
how to tap them? Problem is Hyderabad doesn't have any good college.
Yes.
If you notice, Sonia ji, maximum youngsters are joining this architecture and interiors college just to be out of home,
Yes.
not as to make this as a profession. You
Yes,
see
you
this.
have-
That is the reason they are running now. Otherwise, जैसे आज आप मैम को देखते हैं, श्रेया मैम को, she was with यशवंत राममूर्ति sir for a good amount of years, like who is called as a father of architecture in Hyderabad.
Yes.
Ma'am said कि she was with
Subhashnar and Anand
सुबह
Sagar.
they were senior, मतलब जितना अपना एज है उससे ज्यादा उनको प्रैक्टिस है. So you were dedicated towards them. They have taught you something very good. That is the reason now you entered into this.
We have to give it back.
Shreya ma'am was just discussing before this session that she was junior to Amita ma'am. Now they both are on
Yes.
one dais. So that is something very happening, because she might have delivered something very great.
Right.
So ऐसे encourage करने के लिए I would request you to do something for this fraternity
Yes.
or talk to
Finishing
your
school
industry
is
finishing.
needed. Otherwise, no, कभी-कभी लगता है our office is like a training center.
And
Exactly.
People are coming, they're training,
And
And
they're
they're
leaving.
and that should be chargeable,
Ah.
not for monetary
yeah,
terms.
you shouldn't pay the
Not for
students,
monetary
they
terms,
should
because
pay
they, they should pay you and not for your see.
Yes.
जो भी पे करेंगे ना, आपका जो टाइम जाता है ना, that is peanuts. Literally that is peanuts.
No, because what happens is,
Seriousness पता चलता है उनका.
yes,
Otherwise if you देखो
See,
आप finishing school 1.5 साल 2 साल नहीं चला सकते हो. Hardly it will be for 8 weeks. So for the 8 weeks वो अगर serious तभी आएगा जब आप उसको कुछ चार्ज करोगे,
yes,
और वो पे जब भी करेगा तब उसको सीरियसली उसको
They
करियर
should
बनाना
come
है.
with some polished.
Because we have many
person.
architects with us who are interested in
We
this.
can give them better
We can
salary.
bring everyone on one dais. We can have some auditorium. We can involve good senior designer also. We can visit the colleges. We can take the जो final year के students है, उनका seriousness तभी पता चलता है. First year, second year में कोई पता नहीं चलता. We can opt them जिसको seriously अपना career बनाना है.
Right.
We can definitely
Actually,
open
the
this.
architecture is like a degree. It's like a 5 years degree course.
True.
But the interior designer is just 1 year diploma course. There's so much of difference.
वहाँ भी बहुत difference आता है.
There's so much of
But nowadays, if you see, many interior designers are doing architecture. Just for a permission and all, they get a stamp
But
from
you
the
ask
senior
them कि
architect.
column में कितने rods लगते हैं, पूछिए.
They got that structural designer is there for
Yeah,
them.
but they don't.
नहीं,
Structural designer के साथ भी when we design the architecture bungalow, we give the beam where we want the beam. Randomly तो structural engineer देते हैं.
5 साल में कुछ तो पढ़े होंगे ना architecture.
Yes,
Can't be-
so that is a very different thing.
It's very different.
So one of your suggestion, Sonia ji was pending, ki what would you love to do for this fraternity?
see, basically, अगर हमारे पास कोई आता है, you're right. So either it should be, you child faces, because जब आप किसी को साइड पे सिखाते हैं काम, तो आप अपने पूरे, अगर 10 साल हो गए, आप उसका पूरा निचोड़, you will try to give them the best
All your
knowledge,
experience.
yeah, all your experience. So there should be some एक होना चाहिए कुछ कि वो आपके साथ टिके, आपके साथ रुके, कुछ समय आपके साथ काम करे, so that they learn. Everybody is in hurry, they want to learn little bit, they want to start their own work, so that it doesn't work that way. They cannot, वो बहुत आगे लंबा नहीं जा सकते with this approach. So they need to be patient. So basically when this quality comes in people, so obviously there are, हम एक training center बन के नहीं रह जाएंगे, because that's really irritating
And I have
when you
been-
teach people and when they leave. So you need to ask them, okay, how much time you want to give to this firm basically, because then you would also love to teach them all your
At least you should
experience.
complete the
Yeah.
given project to him right from the
Yes.
land to key. You should complete that.
And I
project.
have
It should
taken
be
out the
win-win
rule.
situation for both of us.
Yes.
They should also learn from us,
Yes.
and we should also get some benefits from
Benefits,
them.
of
So
course.
it should be win-win situation. यहाँ पे
Yes.
only one-sided is happening. कि they
The
are learning-
only reason is, or the only reason what I personally find is there is no proper dedicated institute or college. You
Yes.
don't face this problem in Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore. Good amount of like I see Kamal Bhai personally, he is also facing a huge problem. As he got almost 25 years or 26 years of experience, he's going with more than 40 sites, and he's known for his jewelry showrooms basically. That needs much of detailing. So Bhaiya has opened one small office in Bangalore with a staff of 2-3 people. Now he's planning in Pune also, because he's not getting a satisfactory staff in Hyderabad,
Right.
which is much needed. Because if we sit on the computer, he can't do 40 sites. You have to go only with 1 or 2 sites, which is not practical.
Also at college level, I feel visiting faculty is very important, because वो लोग अपना practice के
I've seen
experience
many of the
आते हैं.
colleges in Gujarat and they have the student exchange program, which we lack in Hyderabad. So, can we all come on one guys? Can we plan to open? भाई जरूरी नहीं है कि हम लोग बहुत ही बड़ा कैंपस खोले. At least take one standalone building, जिसमें हम लोग एक साल के इंटीरियर डिजाइनर की बात करते हैं. अगर हम लोग 100 डिजाइनर भी अच्छे से पास आउट करा के निकालते हैं जो डेडिकेटेड है, so it will be very helpful for Hyderabad.
Of course, it's a good
And
one.
everybody is
That's
suffering with the
required.
staff and team issues. So it will be very nice initiative if you can,
We are definitely planning on it, but honestly speaking, A&I आज जो level पे है, all thanks to people, professional like you, because without your support, it would have not come at this stage. Again, opening a finishing college also, they need a people who has done, because faculty एक अलग style से सिखाता है. He will give just a theoretical knowledge. अमिता मैम ने अपने 25 और ऑलमोस्ट 23-22 इयर्स के करियर में इतना सब कुछ देखा है. आपने अपने 20 इयर्स के करियर में इतना देखा है. सोना जी ने अपने 10 साल के करियर में. They will understand the practicality.
Yes.
Then that time it will be easy for he or she to decide whether I am able to opt this. Am I capable to opt this
Yes.
profession, or shall I switch over for a better opportunity?
And even when they get to visit the real sites,
Yeah.
then they will understand that what are the actual challenges that you face.
Many,
on
yes,
daily
yes,
basis.
yes, yes.
And ये बहुत बहुत जरूरी है, because due to lack of staff, you end up taking less projects, because जब आपके पास staff नहीं होंगे, you don't try to take too many projects, because then your projects will suffer.
और आधा
that's
टाइम हम
how-
लोग करेक्ट करने में रह जाते हैं उनका
You are
ड्राइंग.
right.
सो आई हैव टेकन आउट अ रूल कि जब तक आपका प्रॉपर ड्राइंग साइट में यूज नहीं होगा, यू वोंट गेट पेड. सो देन दे वर्क विद दैट, पूरा करेक्शंस पूरा करके देन दे गेट योर्स, बिकॉज हम लोग पूरा करेक्ट ही करते रहते
You are
हैं.
right.
इट्स सो इरिटेटिंग एंड फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग.
And generally, I see women are more interested in drawing than consultancy part. Sitting at the office and doing the drawings. If you see any office also, you will find more female staff than men's.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं
नहीं,
है.
नहीं,
Yes, I think
both,
yeah,
both,
we have
we
like
have
men and women.
Because I love sitting job more actually. I personally feel that.
नहीं, नहीं,
because
ऐसा
क्या
नहीं.
होता है ना, female
You are into profession, that is the reason I guess you're talking
Like
like
I
this.
personally likes to go to the sites and do client shopping. See, I help my clients to do all kind of shoppings like bead curtains, fancy lights, artifacts, wall decor,
All selections.
what kind of rugs they should use, so that they should not go away from the theme. So this is one thing which I really love to do apart from my site visits and all. So I think these days women are very open and they love to explore things, and जो एक natural जो sensibility होता है to select things and all, and yeah, so I think ऐसा नहीं
because
है.
selection
हाँ.
plays a very important role.
Yes.
You can give 2D, 3D, but what ultimate selected thing
Yes,
should
yes.
put at the proper place.
पूरा ओवरऑल एक्सपोजर जरूरी है फॉर
Yes.
whether it's a man or a woman. It's very
One
important.
final question. how do you find A&I magazine and how it's doing in Hyderabad?
I think it's a top-notch magazine and it's the best.
I think what you're doing for the magazine, and generally you get all of us together, we talk about it. It's very nice. Like you're so connected with the profession and all that also. चलो आप ही खोल दो finishing school.
Maybe a
And you
ma'am.
get
Last time
us-
you
नहीं, believe me, ma'am, but trust me, if I get a support from professional like you, by end of this year we will open it. But
Yeah, why
without support from people like you, because I can't give them ना.
not? Yes.
आज खोल के
See,
बैठे
you
लिखा
can
unable
do
to
the
teach
academic-
और मोरल डाउन हो जाएगा. But when they know कि भाई यशवंत राम मूर्ति सर इन्वॉल्व हो रहे हैं, अमिता मैम इन्वॉल्व हो रहे हैं, श्रेया मैम आ रहे हैं, सोनिया जी आ रहे हैं, फिर लखानी साहब आ रहे हैं, अभिनय राठी सर आ रहे हैं, कमल दरक आ रहे हैं, सबका अपना अपना एक ऑरा है.
Yes, yes.
They will make them understand. Like you are specialized into residential segment. You will talk about residential. They will know कि भाई वहाँ जाके कुछ सीख सकते हैं करके.
Yes, yes.
And that finishing school certificate will be USP for them to opt कि मैं किसके पास जाके जॉब करता. If they get that, हैदराबाद के top 50 जो professionals काम कर रहे हैं, मतलब who we call them as a premium with an experience of 25 years plus. तो उनके पास जब उनको easily job मिलेगा, definitely they will make as a career. But for all that, we need a support from people, everyone, not only that 50 architects. जो aspiring है उनका भी support चाहिए, because उनको क्या difficulty आती है. आप जो intermediate में हैं, मैम तो senior में आ गए. श्रेया मैम एंड सोनिया जी आप इंटरमीडिएट में आते हैं 10 years 15 years plus experience, so ये बहुत काउंट करेगा.
Yes.
If you are ready, believe me, by end of this year we can open it, but we need support from you.
Oh, why not?
A&I can't do alone, because वहाँ प्रोफेशनल चाहिए. आप जैसे जिन्होंने प्रैक्टिकल काम किया है, we can say we can publish,
Yeah.
but करना तो आप लोगों को गाइडेंस उनको देना.
But end of the day फायदा हमको ही हो रहा है ना, वो लोग
नहीं
हमारे
मैम,
पास ही आ
आज
रहे हैं.
आपके पास आएंगे. दूसरा क्या होगा, अपना हैदराबाद का जो फ्यूचर, इफ यू नोटिस, all big projects are going to architects from
Yes.
other cities.
Yeah.
जबकि हैदराबाद का जो पोटेंशियल है, कि हैदराबाद में ऐसे नहीं है कि लोग तलाटीस जैसे काम कर सकते हैं. हैदराबाद में ऐसे नहीं है जो जेजेड जैसे काम कर सकते हैं. एवरीवन, इफ अमिता मैम और सोनिया मैम और श्रेया मैम, if you get a budget of 50,000 rupees as a safety to design the space, you can also deliver the best.
Yeah.
There is no doubt about it. All matters is कि आप जितना इन्वेस्ट करें उतना अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट आपके स्पेस का आउटपुट आएगा.
And these days all luxury.
But this is what happening is कि आप लोगों को इन्वॉल्व हो जाना पड़ता है. आपके जो क्रिएटिव, सी इफ द डिजाइनर इज फ्री फ्रॉम द लाइंस, स्ट्रेस फ्री है, तभी वो डिजाइन दे पाएंगे.
You're right.
अभी आपका कैसे होता है कि स्टाफ को एक एक चीज एक स्पून फीडिंग करके दिखाना पड़ता है, टाइल लाइन भी दिखाना पड़ता है,
Exactly.
लाइटिंग की मार्किंग भी देना पड़ता है. इफ यू आर फ्री फ्रॉम दैट, यू कैन कम ऑन दैट, एंड इट इज पॉसिबल ओनली व्हेन वी हैव गुड फिनिशिंग स्कूल इन हैदराबाद. एंड स्पेशली इसमें अगेन जो डेडिकेशन से फीमेल्स पढ़ा सकते हैं, वो डेडिकेशन से मेल नहीं पढ़ा सकते.
No, that's really
So-
beneficial for, I think,
See, we
for
go in depth.
everyone.
Like, again, I'm telling you, the detailing part, the small
So future
details.
of Hyderabad will just
Just take
secure
care.
with this, because you
Yes.
see, ma'am, everyone is facing. You go any office, any senior office or any aspiring office or any intermediate office. अभी अगर श्रेया मैम को पता चलता है जबरदस्त स्टाफ मिल रहा है, she will say कि मेरे को भेजा दो, सैलरी बाद में देखेंगे.
Yes, you're right.
आपको पता चलेगा, आपको पता
See,
चलेगा.
I want somebody who can take my stress.
Exactly. Not that gives stress and we end up doing
Yeah,
that.
I want somebody who can take my stress and I can focus on the designing more.
कल से मैं आ जाऊँ.
आपको मैं afford नहीं कर सकती.
See, like I'm
Also-
teaching few women,
Yeah.
like who wants to learn interior designing. So what I am expecting from them is that okay, मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी, but at the end of the day, at least you can take care of at least one or two sides, so that मेरा stress उधर से कम होगा, so I can take more projects and focus on them.
I'll tell
So
you
let's
something
with this
what we have done
Women's Day
starting
special
the-
podcast, let's take a resolution कि before coming Women's Day, we open at least a small finishing school which
Yeah,
can
why
give
not?
at least bare minimum 5 to 10 students in a month. So we'll get at least 120 students, whether it is male or female.
And also, Rup, you know that Triple ID Forum से हम लोग काफी student related.
Yes, correct.
You know, we do so many programs.
Yes, yes.
We go to colleges and conduct the workshops. हमारा Insider X जो होता है उसमें भी we
Super,
do
ma'am.
so
Triple
many
it is a
events.
commendable job.
So
No
that
doubt.
is the connect we are already having with
Yeah.
students.
इसको मैम क्या है मैम, थोड़ा और मतलब वो जो जैसे वो क्या बोलते हैं ना, लोगों को आजकल क्या है, नाम बहुत मान लेता है. फिनिशिंग स्कूल, इनसे जॉब मिलेगा, वो तो क्या प्लेसमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट जैसे हो गया.
हाँ.
यहाँ पे आपके ट्रिपल आईडी की टीम आ रही है, दे आर गिविंग वन ट्रेनिंग. दूसरे जो डिजाइन डेमोक्रेसी,
Even when I was teaching in college, I used to get a lot of consultants just so that they get an exposure in
True.
college. Too, because
मैम
they,
अभी तो हम लोग आउटर बात कर रहे हैं. Once we really get totally involved into that, we can really do a tremendous job for Hyderabad, and especially for this
So that's great.
taking them to a touring
Yes.
selection कैसे होता है मटेरियल. अमिता मैडम के साथ एक साइड का है, 3 दिन इनकी
हाँ,
क्लाइंट
that is
मीटिंग
very
कैसे होती है
important.
दिखा दिया,
हाँ, exactly.
इनका साइट एग्जीक्यूशन कैसा होता है दिखा दिया, मटेरियल सिलेक्शन कैसे होता है दिखा दिया. They will learn from that.
Yes.
कि भाई उनको ये चीज यूज कर रहे हैं तो क्यों यूज कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज हर एक्सपीरियंस विल काउंट अ लॉट
Yes.
टू दैट.
Just
And
observing.
उनको फर्स्ट डे में 20 years का एक्सपीरियंस मिल रहा है rooming with you.
Yes, that's
That is very
true.
important.
That's true.
Because that practical knowledge is really important. Very important.
Thank you so much to three of you for giving your time, sharing your knowledge, and guiding or inspiring or educating the upcoming designers through this session. And thanks from A&I because you have always been so supportive, Shreya ji, Sonia ji, and Amita ma'am. Any guidance for A&I magazine, please keep guiding us, keep supporting us the way you are doing to grow this magazine for betterment of magazine and aspiring designers of the world.
I would love to say something about
Please.
AI Magazine. You guys are bringing, the fraternity together. I've got to know so many new people, seniors, in last IKEA session also, and now also I'm meeting these two great ladies. So what I would say is you guys are bringing people together, and I would say each and every person who is connected with AI Magazine is very humble, down to earth, and very polite. So I just love this quality that there is no, ऐसा कुछ fake नहीं है. मतलब everything is so real. बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब आप लोग you are connected to your roots, and that is the best part what I feel. And AI Magazine, when our work gets published in the magazine, we get so many calls from the vendors. We get to know automatically. हमें घर बैठे मिल जाता है कि okay, these are the new stores in the market. Ma'am, please visit our store. We have seen your work and all that. So there is so much information which we are getting automatically when you are publishing our work. So that's the best thing I have realized that
Thank you
after
so
my
much.
work
This
got
will inspire us
published,
more to
yes.
work more on the
No, you
magazine.
are doing a great job.
Also,
and
you don't leave out a chance to explore possibilities in connecting with the
Definitely,
fraternity.
ma'am. The only target of magazine is,
Yeah.
honestly speaking, ma'am, this is passion. Magazine was my passion.
I mean, it's not
As I
necessary.
met Shreya ma'am has
Yeah,
given
I
us it in
wanted
first
to
edition.
talk about it.
Okay.
See, I think we met in 2021.
21 and almost 22
Yeah. So in first edition, they have published me. So Ruchi and Sagar, they came to the office and all, and they were little hesitant कि ये magazine कैसा जाएगा, क्या जाएगा. But believe me, you people are doing wonders.
Yes, wonderful
You know,
job.
as a person, I will not go to her site and check her work. So this is such a good platform to see ki what is
Yes.
her taste of working,
Yes.
what is she is good at. You know? So that is very, and you are, as she's telling,
This
You
is
are
our
connecting-
marketing mantra also, Shreya ma'am. कि हम जब भी जाते हैं, at the end of the day, we also need sponsors and everything, and we also need an architect. So we'll see that by we are distributing this 4,000 copies, out of which 1,400 goes to the professionals like architects, interiors, landscape designers, builders, project management consultants, structural designers. So we feature 7. Rest 1393 will see what these 7 people have done at least once.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
this is one thing. Second, the way you are connecting people is also very good. See, हम तीनों का तो I don't think so हैदराबाद में रह के भी मिलना होता था. So this is a very
It is only possible because you are accepting our invitation. Honestly speaking,
See,
if you deny, if you don't come, again as you said, थोड़ी देर पहले आपने बोला था कि win-win situation दोनों के लिए होना चाहिए था. As I always says कि this would have not possible without support from people and professional like you. Always, I met you first time, you got ready. सोनिया जी से बात हो, she got अमिता मैम, आई मतलब ट्रिपल आईडी के होते हैं, इनके कुछ प्रोटोकॉल्स होते हैं, they have to manage everything because now they are under one big national banner, triple ID, they have to take everything, मतलब they have to maintain the protocol. When we asked for the madam, she was ready, no, you can do it, and any support you need, and whenever we invited ma'am, out of her busy schedule she came. श्रेया जी से तो क्या हमारा पर्सनल अच्छा रिलेशन एक दोस्ताना भी जैसे हो गया, so we keep meeting. सोनिया जी को भी invited 4th or 5th time, she was always here. So आप लोग अगर सपोर्ट नहीं करते तो ये लेवल पे आते
और
नहीं.
आप भी जो तरीके से सबको
Yes.
कनेक्ट करके चल रहे हो ना,
The only motto is one, man, to bring everyone on one dash. Because I was in Pune for 12 years, man. I have seen every professional in the evening time, they are colleagues. Morning time, they are professional. Whereas we lack in Hyderabad. Professional, instead of taking each other as colleague, they are taking each other as competitor, which is not good for future. Though I'm very small, it might hurt someone. I don't want to hurt someone seeing this podcast, but I'm just sharing what I feel in person. श्रेया जी के भाग्य में जो काम है उन्हीं को मिलेगा.
That's
अमिता
true.
जी के स्कोप में जो काम मैम को मिलेगा, आपको जो आपको मिलेगा, मेरे को जो मिलना है मेरे
In
को
fact, I will tell, if we can, the females, we can meet
Yes.
once a month or something, and we can discuss. जो मुझे problem है, she must have some
Yes.
solution for that.
Right.
Kishay, why don't you do like this?
I personally believe that मेरा इच्छा है मान के एक ऐसा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बने जिसके पास में अपने पास हैदराबाद के पूरे फीमेल्स आर्किटेक्ट कनेक्टेड रहे, किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है, so there should be that this WhatsApp group should become a supporting system for
Join
them.
triple ID. That is the
It
best
is
story.
always there. Triple ID is
Because
I
always
it's
was
there.
a member, but
Ah.
in between,
And
I
sometimes
left
we
in
need
2010
vendors,
as well.
okay,
Yeah.
that group
वो
can
भी
always
चाहिए,
help out.
Yes.
आपको कोई vendors चाहिए, कोई आपका vendor चला गया है,
That is the
so
best
that
forum.
group can help, out in that
Definitely,
manner as
definitely.
well.
As I
Yeah.
said, we don't lose the opportunity. Like IKEA event कर लिया या Women's Day का. I mean, it's not necessary, but you always.
Actually क्या मैम, I got till otherwise 8 मार्च का हमारा बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम था स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट का.
I know
I
about
said,
your sports
Yes,
event.
we planned it, but 15 days I went with typhoid, so I was unable to work on it. और छोटा इवेंट नहीं है because we want to do, but मतलब एक डिसीजन है एयरने का. Whatever we are going to do, we will do best. Otherwise, we'll stop for some time.
And I read your entire script of that.
पूरा
It was
स्क्रिप्ट
very
किया था
interesting.
कि भाई हम लोग स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट करेंगे जिसमें 12 क्रिकेट टीम लेंगे, ईच टीम 1 फीमेल कंपल्सरी, बॉक्स क्रिकेट. एंड जो फाइनल मैच होगा उसके रिजल्ट आने के बाद में हमारे पास में 16 लड़कियां रेडी हो जाएंगी, 16 फीमेल, उनका एक मैच रहेगा, सरप्राइज मैच.
It will be
एंड विन एंड लूज के लिए नहीं था भाई, हमारे लिए क्या था,
fun.
स्पोर्ट्स इज द इवेंट जो सबको बना देता है. सपोज श्रेया जी की और सोनिया जी की नहीं जमती है, सपोज कोई रीजन से, बट इफ देयर इन वन टीम ना, ऑटोमेटिकली एक रिलेशन बन जाता है.
Sports
एटलीस्ट
will-
हाई हेलो का तो रिलेशन बन ही जाएगा. और लकीली अगर वो टीम बन जाती, जीत जाती है उस मैच में, सो दे बिकम वन ऑफ द बेस्ट बडीज.
But मैंने एक चीज I want to say, because see, the this city is so big, like all the metropolitan cities, everybody has their own clientele. मेरे टेस्ट के लोग जो हैं जिनको मेरा काम पसंद आता है मेरे पास आएंगे. So all women and men should understand this thing कि आप अगर दूसरों से अच्छे से मिलेंगे, एक पॉजिटिव एनर्जी और पॉजिटिव ऑरा रखेंगे, तो उसमें आपको हेल्प ही मिलेगा. इट्स नॉट लाइक यू आर गोइंग टू यूज
ये कैसे होगा मैम, मैं बोलता ना, मतलब रेगुलर मिलते रहना पड़ेगा. इट शुड
Yes.
बी, मतलब यू नेवर क्लैप, यू कैन नेवर क्लैप फ्रॉम वन हैंड. दोनों जरूरी है.
yes, yes.
वन हैज टू टेक द इनिशिएटिव.
Yes, yes.
Luckily by grace of God, again with our support system we got the chance to do that.
Yes.
Now when we have success party थी अपना and I got awarded,
Yeah,
we did
yes.
that. Believe me, Babylon, I was worried man, till 7 o'clock my face was like this. कैसे आएंगे लोग?
सारे आए ना, it
First time, and first time it happened कि 77 professional ways on one dash for almost 3-4 hours.
Yes, it was full.
तो मजा आ गया उस चीज में.
Yes.
तो उससे हमारे को हिम्मत बढ़ी कि we can do sports event. We randomly spoke to everyone, ऐसे ऐसे करेंगे. Everyone was interested. But due to this, अभी क्या है, गर्मी आ गया तो थोड़ा लोग दिन भर के लिए इंटरेस्टेड नहीं रहते because Hyderabad has a very tough climate in summer. So we are planning to do day and night. शाम में 5 बजे स्टार्ट करेंगे, 1-1:30 बजे तक रखेंगे. So it will be happy, मतलब एक just a time pass session और कुछ नहीं.
No,
With
that's a
70
good idea.
professionals and 15 vendors. That's it.
You would love to
We are
be part
doing
of,
it. Yes, we are definitely planning to do the, बस एक डेट डिसाइड करना है जिसमें थोड़ा वेदर हमको सपोर्ट करे और आप प्रोफेशनल का टाइम सपोर्ट करे. Because April is Milan again. So Milan many travel, so we have to keep after 22nd or 25th of April only. That will be a very hot summer. So देखते हैं उसको कैसे plan करें. Again and again, thank you so much. Thank you all. And let's do something on Women's Day again with all of you
Yes.
who are a best example for women empowerment. 8 मार्च को फ्री मिलते हैं जिनके साथ अपना पॉडकास्ट सेशन हो रहा है, over a high tea, over a coffee tea or something, and have a great time together. Thank you so much.
Thank
you
you.
all.
Thank you so much for calling.
Thank you.
Yeah.